Hey. This is a ride, yeah, it's nice to meet you, girl. I don't give a motherfucker, just want you in my world, yeah. You can chill with me, we can smoke a couple blunts, then hit the motherfucking block and gotta get the money. I meant to say the money, yeah, niggas straight shining. Y'all put some diamonds in my ear and they blinded. I don't give a motherfucker about a nigga that hate and put that fucking gun to his face and then chase him. Talking about them bullets that will run up in your ass, yeah. If I shoot down, you gonna die one blast, yeah. Put my hand up on the tree, then I gotta stop myself. I don't give a motherfucker, you better go get some help. This is a ride and I'm in the blast squad and them niggas laugh with me, yeah, we'll pull you down. I don't give a motherfucker if I fucking mess up. I don't give a fuck, bitch. You better put your money up. Put it up before I come and take it. Swear I'm breaking in. I don't give a motherfucker. Ain't no fucking shaking him. Yeah, that's me right here. Ain't right, I'm going in. Let me tell you what's up. Yeah, I fuck your best friend and your cousin too, and your sister. Yeah, she's a bad bitch. I had to get up in it and do what I do. Yeah, hey Rod, what's up? This is how I do it, babe. Meant to say I'm meant to say I'm crazy, man. Gone in a break, but that's okay. Yeah, get all this money, and you know I'm straight broke. Yeah, grow up in my dick, yeah, I'm growing in your bitch, and you know she take the dick all night. Oh shit, you didn't even know that. Well, I'm telling you now, I don't give a motherfucker. Yeah, I hype up the crowd. Yeah, this is how I do it every day when I'm chilling. Just up here record, but you know I'm killing. Yeah, write it down, take a picture. I don't give a fuck. Take this shit, yeah, roll it up with some fucking papers. But I don't smoke no papers. I barely smoke no more, but I got something for the haters. Rubber band stacks on my fucking back. In my fucking bank, yeah, money attack, yeah, big bank, hey, little bank, give me that shit. You ain't even got a bank account. How the fuck you rich? Nigga use a fucking junkie, yeah, I'm going in. I don't give a motherfucker. Yeah, this is the end.